Unlock the power of Propstream, anytime, anywhere, right from your phone. Propstream's mobile app is your ultimate field companion, transforming how you find and analyze properties on the go. Let's dive into its incredible features. First, let's master property searches. Tap the search bar at the top. You can enter a specific address, a zip code, or even draw a custom area on the map to find properties within that zone for detailed filtering. Tap the filter icon. Here, you can narrow down your search with powerful filters looking for single-family homes. Select residential need properties with a certain amount of equity. Adjust the equity slider. You can also filter by foreclosure status, absentee owners, and much more, giving you hyper-targeted results. Once you find a property, tap on it to access its detailed profile. This is where the magic happens. You'll see crucial information like property characteristics, owner details, estimated value, comparable sales, and even recent transaction history. It's all the data you need to make informed decisions. The app seamlessly integrates map and data views. Switch between them with a tap to visualize your search areas and individual property locations. This is invaluable for understanding neighborhood trends and potential investment opportunities. Organizing your findings is just as easy. Access your saved properties or leads directly from the main menu here. You can create custom lists, add notes, and even set follow-up reminders, ensuring you never miss a hot lead. Need to connect? Propstream Mobile allows direct calling to owners or agents right from the app. Simply tap the phone icon next to a contact number and initiate your conversation immediately. Propstream Mobile empowers real estate professionals with unparalleled flexibility, from initial property discovery to in-depth analysis and lead management. You have the tools you need to succeed, all conveniently in your pocket. Download the Propstream app today and revolutionize your real estate business.